In this video, I'll show you how to add text and sticky notes to a Microsoft Teams meeting whiteboard. Start by opening Microsoft Teams, then sign in. Next, navigating to the calendar. Click the Join or Start Your Teams meeting. Click Share, then select Microsoft Whiteboard. To add text, click the text icon on the left toolbar. Then click anywhere on the board and start typing. You can resize the text box to fit your layout. To add sticky notes, click the sticky note icon, choose a color, and place it anywhere on the whiteboard. Type your idea, then drag or resize the note as needed. Sticky notes are perfect for brainstorming, while text boxes work great for headings and instructions. Everything you add is saved automatically, so you can come back to the whiteboard anytime from your meeting chat or the Whiteboard app in Teams. And that's how to add text and sticky notes in a Microsoft Teams whiteboard. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.